What is up guys, Vimal here back with a new video. A lot of people keep looking to buy powerful Dolby ATMOS home theater systems, right? You guys came to the right video. Today I have something very interesting in the home. So thing is, there are so many soundbar models available in the market, but let me tell you honestly, most of these soundbars do not give you that realistic Dolby ATMOS experience, guys. They virtually try to upmix and give you 3D surround sound sort of effect. To get the real deal right, it is necessary to have that height channel, basically like top firing speakers. Either it be your tower speakers in your home theater or even on a soundbar, right? It is necessary to have those top firing angled speakers which will produce sound, hit the ceiling, reflect, and then it will give you like a complete 3D spatial mapping, guys. Without that you won't experience that realistic Dolby Atmos thing. So for that only, Blaupunkt has launched something very new in the market, guys. This is their all new SBW600 XCEED series true 9.1.4 channel home theater system that is completely wireless and supports Dolby Atmos, DTS:X, and this home theater can literally produce around like 700 watts of RMS output, guys. And as I've told you, not just the soundbar on this thing has like top firing vertical speakers, but even the rear satellite speakers also have like top firing speakers. Totally you're getting like 14 drivers on this thing. So I'm like very excited to unbox and show it to you people in this video. Without wasting any more time, let's get started. Whew, what a busy day, guys. Back-to-back tech launches happening and I'm actually getting a bit tired. So let me just quickly take my juice break. By the way, I haven't told you people, right? My New Year resolution for 2025 is to get into fitness and stay healthy. For this thing, first thing I've done is I've cut down on junk food, no soft drinks as well. Instead, I'm relying on like healthy food made at home and also like fruit juices. Now, I'm not sure how many of you people seen, but these days you've seen so many online videos, right? Either it be food or any sort of juice they're making. I'm not sure about the hygiene, guys. That is the reason I bought like a new juicer. This is from Nook. It is their all new drip self-feeding slow juicer. So unlike your regular juicer mixer grinders, this one is a bit special, guys. The whole core juicing process is only different. Instead of utilizing like a fast spinning metal blade on the inside to chop fruits and vegetables like on your regular mixer grinders, right? The Nook drip employs a special screw type squeezing process which basically mimics the motion of hand squeezing juice. So this results in much better juicing efficiency, retains nutritional values, and also offers much yield than your regular mixer grinders. It does all of this with the help of a high torque motor on board with a slow 55 rpm rotation and is even capable of juicing hard fruits and vegetables as well. No sweat at all. And best part is the design. You're getting a compact and stylish looking design available in different colors, and using the juicer is also very simple. Simply drop in the fruits or vegetables into the jar from the top side, and unlike your regular mixer grinders, you don't need to stand beside that and hold the fruits or vegetables while it is juicing. It's got self-feeding mechanism, so it will take out the pulp and extracts from one side and gives you freshly squeezed juice on the other side, and that's it, you're good to go. So if you guys are also looking to buy a new juicer, maybe you're also trying to get into fitness or for your home purpose, right? You can definitely try it out. Good performance, I would say, easy maintenance. I didn't have any sorts of hassles with the cleaning as well. So our brand new Dolby ATMOS wireless home theater from Blaupunkt came in this sort of packaging, and honestly I'ma tell you guys, that is one massive packaging for a home theater, and it's also super heavy. On the inside you get one more packaging which is the actual box packaging of the home theater. You got the Blaupunkt branding. Model, as I've mentioned, is SBW600 XCEED series 9.1.4 Dolby ATMOS wireless home theater, which also includes rear satellite speakers along with a wireless subwoofer. To the side you can check out all of its features and main highlights. We'll talk about all of these features anyhow as we proceed in the video. And one more thing I forgot to mention is this home theater system can produce around 700 watts of RMS output. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. I'm pretty excited to get my hands on this brand new soundbar and wireless home theater system. As soon as you open it, at the top side you get some paperwork. Just make sure to read this. It's a full-on user manual, guys. Gives you all details on setup and installation. You also get an accessory box which has plenty of stuff on the inside. This one is your remote control for the home theater. Looks pretty nice, right? Good quality, I would say. Along with that, you're getting two mains cords. A free HDMI cable is also there. 3.5mm to 3.5mm aux cable. Two power adapters, one each for satellite unit. And lastly, you're also getting some installation screws and stands. So yes, it can be wall mounted. That's it. These are all the accessories. Now let's finally check out the soundbar we've been waiting for. Blaupunkt's all new SBW600 XCEED series. Oh my god, that is one massive soundbar, guys. I mean, look at the size of this thing. It is easily around 3 feet 7 inches, guys. Massive, I would say. I mean, obviously, soundbar alone packs like 9 drivers on board. Keeping that aside, these are your rear satellite speakers, and as I've told you, these are also completely wireless. You just need to plug in the power adapter for each of the units, and they'll automatically power on, sync, and connect with your home theater system. Last but not the least, you're also getting a subwoofer included in the package, and as I've mentioned, just like the satellite speakers, this is also fully wireless. No need to connect any cable from the subwoofer to the soundbar. So that's it, our quick unboxing part. What I'll do is I'll quickly set up the home theater system, connect it with my TV, use it for a couple of days, and then be right back to continue the video. Alright boys, I'm back to continue the video. It's been almost like 9-10 days I've been using this Blaupunk's home theater system at my place and watched a variety of content, guys, and today in this video I will be sharing my detailed experience and feedback regarding the audio quality, how's the overall surround sound effect, Dolby ATMOS effect. So make sure to watch this video till the end, and I'm pretty sure all your questions will be answered in this video. First of all, let me give you a closer look at the home theater system and talk about the design and build quality part. As I've shown you during the unboxing, the home theater system features a soundbar, a dedicated wireless subwoofer, and also two rear wireless satellite speaker units. Have a closer look at the soundbar. Initial impressions I have to mention, guys, this Blaupunkt soundbar is like massive in size. The length of the soundbar is easily around like 3 feet 7 inches and is almost as big as my 50 inches 4K TV. Obviously, the soundbar itself packs like 9 drivers on board, right? Including top firing speakers and side angled speakers as well. Talking about the design, beautiful looking design. You're getting a premium look and feel over here. Entire body has a matte metallic feel, that too in this beautiful grey finishing, and matches very well with my TV. Build quality is nice, definitely feels solid and sturdy. Most of the body is made of like polycarbonate material only, but on the front you're getting like a full metallic grille with the Blaupunkt logo on the left and Dolby ATMOS mentioned on the right side. At the central area you'll find that the soundbar also has a tiny white LED status indicator that shows you current mode of the soundbar and also gives you lots of other information, maybe like volume control, EQ preset mode and stuff like that. And good thing is it automatically turns off after a while, so it doesn't disturb you whenever you're watching movies or any sort of content, especially in like dark environment. What I'll do is I'll quickly turn around and show you all the available connectivity ports on this soundbar. The SBW600 offers multi connectivity options. You're getting HDMI out that even supports EARC as well. One HDMI input port is also there, so you can easily connect any sort of consoles or maybe like your Blu-ray player. Along with that, you're also getting a USB in to connect your pen drives. 3.5mm aux in support is also there, coaxial option is also available, and lastly a digital optical in. Apart from this, the soundbar also offers Bluetooth connectivity options. You can easily connect your smartphone or any sort of device and play music wirelessly on this home theater system. And not to miss out, you do get some physical media control buttons at the top profile of the soundbar covered in the smooth rubberized texture. You're getting power button, volume up and down, play, pause, and lastly a mode select option is also there. And quality of the buttons is also nice. But unfortunately, we're not getting any built-in microphones on the product, so hands-free experience is not there, and also voice assistant integration is not available on this product. So that is basically about the main soundbar unit. Keeping that aside, let me also show you the subwoofer. So here is how Blaupunkt's all-new SBW600 wireless subwoofer looks like, and I do have to mention, just like the soundbar, even the subwoofer has a beautiful and premium looking design. Entire body comes with this brushed metallic sort of finish, but the material actually used is like MDF wood, guys, just like any other subwoofer, and feels quite solid and heavy in the hand. If you're wondering where the actual subwoofer driver unit is, well, it is present on the bottom side. You're getting a down firing subwoofer unit, guys, 8 inches subwoofer driver unit that can produce like punchy and solid bass. And remember, I've told you, right, it's a complete wireless subwoofer, so there's nothing you need to connect between the subwoofer and the soundbar, just a mains cord, guys, that's it. It'll automatically pair and sync with the soundbar. Last but not the least, here are how the rear satellite speakers for the whole home theater system looks like. Just like the soundbar and subwoofer, here also you're getting a similar fit and feel with a metallic grey sort of finish. On the front, you're getting full metal grille, Blaupunkt logo, and each satellite speaker units also feature 3x drivers, guys, 2 front profile and 1 top firing speaker is also present on each of these units. Setting up this home theater system is very simple, guys. As I've told you, it's completely wireless solution. So the subwoofer and the rear satellite speakers, you just need to connect the mains cord and the power adapters, and once you power on everything, right, they will automatically sync and pair with each other, and that's it, you're good to go. So before we actually move on and talk about the overall audio performance and sound quality, first of all, let me tell you about the driver configuration in this home theater system. At the beginning only, I've told you, right, this is a 9.1.4 channel bi-directional wireless Dolby ATMOS home theater system. And first of all, talking about the soundbar, the soundbar alone features like 9 driver units. On the front profile, you're getting 3 directional full range speakers along with 2 dedicated tweeters. At the left and right profile, the soundbar does come with side firing speakers, and you're also getting top firing angled speakers to give you that realistic Dolby ATMOS height experience. So that is about the soundbar. Now, honestly speaking, on the website, the brand has not specified anything about the drivers or the wattage configuration, guys, but they did mention that the entire home theater system can easily produce around like 700 watts of RMS. Now, based on my experience and usage, I believe the soundbar alone can produce around like 350 watts of output, while the subwoofer is producing around 250 watt, which features like a 8-inch subwoofer driver unit down firing, and lastly you're getting 100 watts of rear satellite speaker experience. So totally that is how I believe you're getting 700 watts of experience. Anyways, moving on to the subwoofer, I've told you right here you're getting 8 inches down firing subwoofer, and lastly on the satellite speakers, each of the satellite speakers feature 3 driver units, 1 full range on the front, 1 tweeter on the front, and 1 top firing angled speaker for that height experience. So what I'll do is I'll quickly play some content and audio demo on this home theater system. Just sit back, relax, check out these demos, and then I'll be back to share my experience and feedback on the sound quality. Okay, you guys saw those demos, right? What do you think? Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. As I've told you, I've been using this Blaupunk's all new home theater system at my place for the last couple of days and watched a variety of content, not just like YouTube videos, but some movies and web series as well on OTT platforms like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, that too in Dolby ATMOS. And I do have to mention, overall audio performance was like pretty good for the price that you're paying. Mids felt crisp and clear, vocal clarity was nice, and dialogue delivery, dialogue performance was also like quite satisfactory, especially when you're watching movies, right? You can easily understand what's happening in the scene. Keeping that aside and talking about the treble performance was also like really good, guys. It was producing smooth treble with minimum harshness. And coming to the bass is the main highlight in this home theater system, guys. Blaupunkt has killed it with their wireless subwoofer. As I've told you, you're getting like a powerful 8 inches down firing subwoofer driver unit, and it was producing like killer bass, guys. I mean, solid and punchy is what I can say. Especially if you're watching movies, Hollywood movies with a lot of action scenes, a lot of gun firings, bomb blastings, right? It was producing like solid and thumping bass, guys. Bass lovers are gonna definitely enjoy the whole experience on this system. And on the overall, as I've told you guys, quite satisfactory audio performance on Blaupunk's SBW600. Now coming to the overall output, this whole home theater system can easily produce around like 650 to 700 watts of RMS output, which is plenty for home purpose. For most of the situations, I was using this soundbar mostly at like 45-50% volume level only, and I couldn't go beyond that. Otherwise, obviously my neighbors will start complaining, which I'm pretty sure you don't want that to happen, right? But one thing, as I've mentioned, guys, I do have to talk about is the total harmonic distortion. I feel the THD levels of the built-in amplifier in this home theater system is slightly a bit on the higher side, and because of that, when you go in the volume level above 60-65%, right, you can slightly feel that distortion coming up in the vocals and also mid frequencies. But apart from that, everything else was fine. Okay, Okay, I know the main question now you guys are gonna ask is how is the overall sound stage and also 9.1.4 channel Dolby Atmos experience. As I've told you, I've watched like plenty of movies over here, Hollywood movies on Netflix and other OTT platforms, and I do have to mention 3D surround sound experience is actually pretty good in this home theater system. So unlike a lot of other soundbars that upmix and try to virtually give you that 3D surround sound experience, right? Here Blaupunkt is offering you like a true 9.1.4 channel Dolby Atmos experience. Not just soundbar, you're also getting like rear satellite speakers, and in the soundbar and rear satellite speakers you are getting both vertically top firing speakers, right, for that height Dolby Atmos effect. So that was definitely there. You could feel it when you're watching movies, especially in action scenes, maybe like there's a helicopter roaming around, right? You can feel that happening. And apart from that, as I've told you, gun firing, bomb blasting scenes, dynamic action scenes felt quite nice and satisfactory in this home theater system. Well, that is pretty much it, boys. Time to wrap it up our video on Blaupunkt's all new SBW600 XCEED series 9.1.4 channel wireless Dolby Atmos home theater system. It's a good home theater. You're getting premium look and feel, excellent build quality, audio quality, and performance is also nice. And on top of that, as I mentioned, it does support Dolby Atmos and DTS:X, right? So you're gonna enjoy watching cinemas or any sort of movie content at your home. Only couple of things I felt missing on this home theater system is there is no app control, guys, and on top of that, since we're not getting any microphones integrated into the soundbar, there is no option for like acoustic room calibration, which a lot of other brands offer around this price point. If you talk about the pricing details, this home theater is available for roughly around like 49,999 rupees in the Indian market. I'll leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. If you all enjoyed watching it and got all the information you're looking for, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more such awesome videos. And I'll see you all in my next one.